Hi everybody, this is Connie and I am here with my first update for my Project Beauty 2018. And it's not going to be a very good one because I haven't been using most of the stuff. I actually have been using another face wash, another stuff. I used it a few times, but I didn't want to use it too much because I didn't want to have an unfair advantage over my makeup, if you understand what I mean. So anyway, let's get started and I'll show you where I'm at on everything. Face moisturizer, first of all. And I have been using this a few times a week. It's a number 7 day cream. And I will show you a picture from where I started to where I am. So I have used probably a third of this. No. Yeah, maybe a third of this. The second item on my list was a face serum. And I tell you what, I mean, this works fine. Works fine. But I am not happy with it. I started this a little over a month ago. And like I said, I've only used this a few times a week in that month. And here's where I'm at already. This is what I've got left. This is what I've used. So it's going way too fast. So I bought another one that was just in another, that I put in another haul that you'll see. And I'm going to, when I'm done with this one, I'll trade out for that one. And I also have another moisturizer coming, so when I'm done with the day cream, I can switch out. So I'm going to, once I use things up, I'm just going to keep going with other similar items. All right, next thing is a face wash. And that is my Olay Total Effects. And I like this. It's pretty good. See, I haven't used a whole lot. Once I get back to work, it'll go down a lot faster. But, you know, it just takes a little bit and it suds up in my hands. So I don't use much at a time. Next is my next face wash. This is the one I use in the shower. This is the one that sits by my bathroom sink. So on the days that I don't shower, I still wash my face with this. I use another item for washing my face at night. So then that's not included. So anyway, that's what I've used to that. So I haven't used a whole lot of this either, but it just takes a little bit. Get off of their hair. Okay, the next thing is a face exfoliator, and I use this in my shower. It's the Neutrogena Deep Clean, and I use these together. I use this, and then I use this, where this is a cleanser also, but I'm just kind of double cleansing my face and exfoliating at the same time. And like that. And again, you don't need much. So, you know, it's going to go down a lot slower than it, you know, it may seem like I'm not using it, but I am. So anyway, that is it for that. And my masks, I used a few. I used this one this morning, actually. Still got water dripping off of it. It's a sea salt cream mask. And you can kind of see the stuff in there yet. And this is the first cream mask I've ever used, actually. It was good. It went on really creamy. There weren't any particles or anything. The texture was very creamy. It was very cool when it first went on. As it dried, you know, I mean, I've seen a lot of you with the stuff dried on your face, and it's stiff, and it's hard to talk, and it's hard to move your mouth, and all that kind of stuff, but it washed off very easily, and my skin felt great afterwards. So, okay, that goes in the garbage, and I got water everywhere. I used one of the BoxyCharm lip masks. I didn't think it did much to my lips. But I don't have terrible, like, chapped lips. I used to. I don't anymore. My lips are actually pretty soft, but I'm still going to continue. I think I've got 4 of these left or something. I'm going to try keep using them. Then at the same time that I used that lip mask, I used the Sephora skincare socks. And, you know, that's just exactly what they look like with that design on them. And they felt good when they were on. I rubbed them in, you know, it just didn't seem like there was a ton of stuff inside, you know, lotion. Took them out. My feet felt good for 5 minutes until they dried. And then they were back to the same rough, dry skin. So they didn't do a whole lot for my skin. So I am not very impressed with these. Not the Sephora brand anyway. Maybe I'll try another brand sometime. Okay. And at that same time, then I used another sheet mask. This is the seaweed sheet mask. So I just kind of had a spa night. Or I used a face mask, a lip mask, and the foot mask. So I used that up. Another face mask, found argan sheet mask. Used that up. Used up an after party. This is Botanic Fiber Facial Mask. It's by BioBell, and it's the after party one. It is soothes and brightens skin with blueberries and yogurt. Then I used a vitamin C, Vitalize and Relieve. The vitamin C derivative of the formula provides a radiant complexion and helps to reduce melanin pigment production. That one. I like vitamin C masks, actually. And then the other night I just used this one. This is the Animal Koala Hydrating Sheet Mask. And it was darn cute. That's exactly what the mask looked like. So that's all the sheet masks, or all the masks that I've used up this month. So let's go on to the makeup. It's my blush is the Milani Tea Rose Powder Blush. Looks like this. And you can tell that I've made, I don't know, I've only used it a couple of times this month. So I will start using this at least once a week. My makeup items, at least once a week, I will use. The eyebrow mascara is the Easy Brow Tinted Fiber Gel by Milani. Then the lip liner is Clean Color in Mauve. This shouldn't take much to use up. My mascara for this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I have a couple of these, so I wanted to use one up. And my lipstick for this is Kat Von D lipstick in Lovecraft. Lovecraft. That's what it looks like. It's gorgeous. I wanted to get this used up because it's old. And it's really starting to dry. So I want to use as much as I can before I can't stand it anymore. So at least once a week I will be using this also. So that is it for my update. I will insert pictures where they're supposed to go to show you my progress for this month. And I will talk to you next month. I'm going to try to get them up as close to the first as I can. As long as I get them up like the first week, I'm happy with that. So I will talk to you soon. If you like this kind of things, please give me a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye.